Can this Harbor Freight compressor run my sandblaster? No, it cannot. In fact, it says so on the side. Here are the tools that work well. Here are the tools not recommended for this compressor. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple, really. Despite what some of them tell you, most cabinets come standard with a gun that uses 21 CFM at 80 psi. The compressor says it produces 4 CFM. When the tank runs out of stored compressed air, the compressor can't keep up and the blasting gets weaker and weaker. If you're still thinking that might be enough, you're probably wrong. Blasting at 80 psi with 21 CFM gun gives you about a minute and a half of useful blasting. That is long enough to etch a glass cup, but not long enough to etch a wooden sign, remove rust, or almost anything else. You can drop down to a 12 CFM gun to get a little more time, but you probably just need to invest in a bigger compressor.